Hello! Are you tired of spending hours and spending a lot of money doing your nails at the nail salon? In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest, the easiest, and perhaps the cheapest way of doing your manicure and your pedicure. So first and foremost, I would like to introduce you to our technology, which is the gel nail polish strips. Others call them gel nail polish strips, and others call them gel polish stickers. Others call them gel nail decals. So these gel nail polish strips, they're made of 100% nail polish, and these ones are made of gel nail polish. And before we start, I'm going to tell you the advantages of using this gel nail polish strips instead of doing your gel nail polish at the nail salon. The first one will be that they're so easy to apply and they are so easy to remove. And the other thing is that we have them in different designs and different styles, so you can choose whatever style you want that matches with your outfit or whatever you want. Just like I said, it's so easy to apply them. If you look at the back of this package, you see the instructions on how to apply this. And then our package comes like this. I'm gonna open it for you. Inside we have this wooden stick and a nail file, and then the set. And this set, it has 20 nail tips inside. So I'm gonna open it. Of course, you're gonna need a pair of scissors to open it because it's really hard. And by the way, the reason why these nail polish strips are kept in this black plastic container is because if they get in contact with the sun or any light, they'll cure themselves. What I mean is that they'll get hard. Okay, so I'm gonna take them out of this so that you see. Okay, here they are. We have 20 of them inside. So for this video, I'm going to apply this set because I like this vibrant colors. It has a lot of beautiful colors that I like. So I'm going to apply this. So for you to apply this, our gel nail polish strips, you're gonna need this, of course. And the other thing that you're gonna need is a pair of alcohol pads. Sorry, not a pair. You can just any alcohol pads. You need the alcohol pads. And then the other thing you're gonna need, of course, is the UV lamp, because they need to be cured using the UV lamp. But if at all you don't want to use the UV lamp, it's still okay. You can just keep them. You can just apply them, and then after that, don't touch water, and that way they cure themselves. Okay. But for this video, I'm going to show you how you use this UV lamp to cure them. Okay. The next thing you're gonna do is to size. You wanna make sure you choose the right size for your nail size. Okay, so you can just do this. Just pass them on top of your nails just like that. That way you get the right size. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my middle finger. Okay, I have big nails. So, okay, my middle finger, I'm gonna go with this one. And as you can see, on top there is a protective film. So take that out. Okay, we have that protective film. Take it out, and then pull this out of this, just like that. And then we're going to stick to your nails and gently stick this to your nail. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there. And don't put this on top of your nail cuticle because it's not gonna look natural. What I like to do is to leave a small space in between your nail and then the cuticle. Okay, and then after that, that's how you do it. So easy. And look at that. I already have my nail gel on my nail. How much time did I use? I used little time to get that. And then after that, you can bend it like that. Okay, so now you have it like that. Okay, this is how it looks. We are not yet done. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this excess nail wrap. There are many ways you can remove this excess nail wrap. You can use a pair of scissors to cut it, or you can just use this nail file. I like using this nail file because they come out smoother. So just use this nail file. So I'm gonna go with the nail file, and I have soft nails, so it's not a good thing to have soft nails. They disturb me. Okay, that's how I always cut the excess part. But there's nothing wrong with just using a pair of scissors. I personally just like using a nail file to cut it. Okay, and then we're done. So I'm just gonna pull it out now. Okay, you see that was the excess nail rip. Okay, and then look at that. I have my nail, and then with that nail file, okay, make sure you smooth the ends. Okay, smooth the ends with this nail file. And then now comes the wooden stick. So this wooden stick, this is how you use it. You just press the edges just like that to make sure it's well laid. Okay, that's how you use it. Okay, then that's it. You have your nail. Okay, so I chose the size. This nail rep I chose is a little bit bigger than my nail size, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and then apply on all my nails. Okay. So the same step. What I'm gonna do is just pass them on top of my nails. As you can see, this is how it looks. So the next thing after you're done with applying them, you take them into the UV lamp, okay? And that one is not really a must. You can just keep that. If at all you don't want to use the UV lamp or you don't have this UV lamp, what you can do, you can just keep them for some time. And please don't touch water. That way they'll cure themselves. Because if they get in contact with light or the sun or whatever, with light, they're gonna be hard. They're gonna cure themselves, okay? So for a quicker way, take your UV lamp, and then there we go. I'm gonna cure them. You can cure them for 60 seconds, but if you want them to be so hard, you can cure them for 90 seconds. And by the way, before you apply our nail polish strips, they are so, before you put them under this UV lamp, they're so soft and stretchy. Don't keep them for that long if you really like your nails that much. Of course, everyone likes their nails, okay? Okay, there we go. Okay, now I've applied our nail polish stripes on our nails. Guys, as you can see, it's so beautiful, and it was so quick to do this, and it was so easy. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you are interested in knowing more about our nail polish strips and seeing most of our designs and all that, you can check us on Facebook at Hoity Nails Global, or you can check our website at www.hoityglobal.com, or you can check us also on Alibaba. We have a lot of shops on Alibaba. You just type Hoity, Huizi. It's a Chinese name. It's Hoity. That's our company's name, okay? And don't forget, guys, we're a factory, and we only supply like in bulk. We just a wholesale, and we can even customize and all that, okay? So if you're interested in knowing more of those, go check out Facebook or our website or Alibaba. We're always there to help you. Thank you so much. So we meet next time. Bye.